Welcome to this exceptional opportunity for a gorgeous move-in ready home in a sought-after Lake Oswego neighborhood. Located in the Village on the Lake community in the Lakeview-Summit neighborhood, it offers lake access and gracious living in a serene, private, forested setting. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with oak flooring, high ceilings, and expansive windows, ensuring light-filled spaces throughout the home. The renovated cook's kitchen is ready for entertaining with high-end appliances, including double ovens, a gas cooktop, abundant storage, and peaceful views. It opens to the dining nook and family room. The main-level master suite is a serene retreat with large wood-framed windows and a spa-like master bath. On the upper level, you'll find 3 additional large bedrooms and another full bath. Entertain family and friends, or just relax and take in the sights and sounds of nature on your large deck. It overlooks a beautifully landscaped woodland garden with a tranquil water feature. Other features include a new roof, gutters, and abundant storage space. You'll also enjoy top-rated schools and lake easement options. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Rachel Bradley with Premier Property Group at 503-936-3373.